Værsgo.
Hey fans, we just finished a music video in Newroz. It's gonna be very good. It's cold outside, so we are finished now. It's like, what is it, 12 o'clock right now in Denmark. So it's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, just finished and it's been great. A little bit cold, but we're doing it and we love it. And our cameraman been messing with us. Looks like a ninja. Yeah, that's the cameraman. So imagine him behind the camera. He's crazy. Mom Gora.
ها بأليكاريا فرنسية ما كليبا نوروز بداوي آني ساعة 12 تفابو ما بداوي آني نكي صارة هم سر درياينا
Good, Sarah.
قالك صارة اللي باش دربازو بندبل
21 of March is gonna come out, so be prepared. 1 week, it's gonna come out for all the Newroz people who are celebrating Newroz. So
Thank you very much.
bye.